Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for November 7th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down, moving sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 79.00, possibly moving down and hitting support around 77.50. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed lower during today's session. It's moving sideways as well. Did create a swing trade opportunity. We'll talk about that here in a little bit. Look for it to potentially go as high as 139.11, possibly as low as 135.81. Look for some resistance around 138.75, and look for some support around 136.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down during this last session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 161.66, possibly as low as 158.98. Look for some resistance around 160.95 and look for some support around 159.00. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed higher during this last session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high and hit some resistance around 0.9050, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 0.8950. Alright, now as far as news announcements go, we have the Chinese releasing their consumer price index for October at 9 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Consensus on that is that it has dropped from 6.1% down to 5.4%. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye on that. They're also releasing their producer's price index for October. Same time, consensus on that is that it has also dropped from 6.5% down to 5.8%. So definitely something to take a look at during tomorrow's session, later on in the session anyway. Now what am I looking for during this next session? We have the Euro-USD pair. It did create a swing trade opportunity, as you can see here. And we have, basically we're looking for a break to the downside of that. We have this area, previous area of support that's been tagged several times, so that's where we're going to look to put our exit, so that if we run into it again, we'll be able to get out prior to it pulling back. About a 36 pip move as far as the entry to exit. Currently, it'd have to drop about 120 pips, definitely within the realm of reason for this next session's range. Today's range, previous range was 148, so it could definitely drop through to that point, hit our entry right here, and then move on lower down to our exit. So looking to sell. Make sure that you sell if you're going to do this one. If you notice, we're basically right at a 0-0 level. You want to be below that. Make sure that it drops below it. You know, around the 136.93 mark. You don't want to enter this one above the 0-0 mark, above the 13600 mark, because it may not break through it. It may find some support at that level and then bounce back. Well, I hope that helps. Till next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.